Forex and CFD trading involves investing in the exchange rates between currencies. For instance, selling one currency whose value you expect to decrease and buying another whose value you expect to increase. The 7 major currencies exchanged in the Forex and CFD market are the Euro, designated as EUR, the British Pound, GBP, the Swiss franc, CHF, and the US dollar, USD. We also trade the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, and the Japanese yen. When we invest in an exchange rate between two currencies, the asset is named after the two currencies we're comparing. Each one of these is called a currency pair, and each pair's name is derived from the initials representing the two currencies. For example, the exchange rate between the Australian and US dollars is referred to as the AUD-USD pair, and between the euro and the yen, EUR, JPY, and so forth. Most Forex and CFD investors are mainly interested in increasing their equity, maintaining its value, or hedging other investments. Such traders include investment companies and funds, retail Forex and CFD traders, day traders, and other aficionados. Other entities are involved in the Forex and CFD market as a result of what they actually do. These include businesses that have international interests, like sales, production or subsidiaries abroad, etc. Such companies are continuously exchanging one currency for another, whenever they make a sale or pay a supplier. Finally, central banks and governments are perhaps the largest participants of all, but more important, they are the ones who often influence the Forex and CFD market to the largest degree, through fiscal and monetary policy. A central bank, for example, may seek to stabilize the nation's currency and economy by determining interest rate. All of these factors influence the relative values of currencies, and they are easy to examine by simply reading and examining the news. It's so much easier than equity shares, where you never know if a company's share value isn't being determined in a locked-up boardroom for reasons you and I will never know anything about.